Term 2, Unit 1, Numbers. So, in numbers lesson, already you have written about factors, multiples and prime numbers, composite numbers, twin prime numbers. Yes, now I am going to explain all those topics. I think already we have learnt about factors and multiples in 5th standard. So, just a recall about factors and multiples. First one, factors. For example, I written, by this example I will explain what is factors. So factors is nothing but you are expressing the given number as a product of two numbers. What do you mean by product? Product is multiplication. Okay, for example, factors of 8. So 8 is equal to 1 into 8, we know that. Yes, so just you want to write the tables. 8 is equal to 1 8s are 8 as well as 4 2s are 8. That's all. No other factors will come. So look at this factors 1, 2, 4, 8. These are all the factors of 8. Actually, factors is nothing but the number must divide the given number without any remainder. Without any remainder. For example, if you are dividing 8 and 2, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 2s are 8. Okay, the remainder is 0, the quotient is 4. So, the number should divide exactly. Those numbers are called factors of the given number. Factors of the given number. Simply you can remember like this. You want to write the tables. Okay, so the given number is 8. So, you just write the tables. In what are all the tables, the 8 will come. You want to write those numbers. And those particular numbers are the factors of the given number. Clear? Now multiples. Multiples is very easy. For example, multiples of 8. The multiples are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, etc. Children, what do you understand from this? It is very simple. The answers which is in the 8th table. Am I correct? 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48, etc. So multiples easily you can remember the answers of the tables. The answers of the tables. Okay, so first you have to choose the number, then write the tables, the answers only, multiples of the given number. Very easy, no? So factors should divide the number without any remainder. Multiples is nothing but it's just a tables. That's it. Okay, hope you all clear about factors and multiples. Now we are going to learn a new topics, that is prime number. Okay, so it is very easy actually. Simply you can remember like this. Prime numbers are divisible by 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. So if you choose any number, that number should divided by only 1 and the number itself. For example, 7. Okay, so 7. If you are dividing 7, 7 ones are 7. Okay, do you have 7 in any other table? No. So only in first table and 7th table it is coming. So the number can divided by only 1 and the 7. Am I correct? So that kind of numbers are called prime numbers. Simply you can remember like this. It will come in only first table. It will come only in the first table. It won't come in any other table. But the actual meaning is the number must be divided by only 1 and the number itself. Okay. So if you have any confusion, you can think like this also. It will come only in the first table. Next example is 23. 23. Do you have 23 in any other table except 1? No. 24 only will come in 2 table or 6th table. Yes, but 23 won't come in any other table. So the 23 will divided by only 1 and 23. So this kind of numbers are called prime numbers. Clear? Next one is composite numbers. So easy, no? Just opposite of prime numbers. So composite numbers will have more than 2 divisors or 2 factors. Okay, we can write or factors. So factors already we have learnt, right? So it will come in more table, no? Previous example we have seen 8. 1 8s are 8, 4 2s are 8. So 8 is a best example of a composite number. It will come in more table. Okay, so it will come in one table as well as some other table. So that kind of numbers are called composite numbers because it will have more than 2 divisor. So for example 9. 9 is 1 9s are 9. 1 9s are 9. Okay, so it will come in first table and also ninth table. It will divided by 1 as well as 9. Can you have 9 in any other table? Yes. 3 3s are 9. So 9 will divided by 3 also. 9 will divided by 3 also. So it came apart from the first table. Yes. So that's why this is a composite number. So this is what the statement. Composite numbers have more than 2 divisors or factors. Next example is 25. 25. 1 25s are 25. So 25 can divided by 1 as well as 25. Do you have in any other table? Yes. 5 5s are 25. It will come in fifth table also. So it will come in first table as well as some other table. So this kind of numbers are called composite numbers. So prime number will divided by only one and the number itself. It will come only in the first table. But composite number, it will come in first table as well as some other table. Okay, more than 2 it will come. First table and one more table, then etc. Okay, hope you all understood. Just play this video 2 or 3 times, then you will understand. Following this, I will give some problems.